Happy morning, children. We are going to learn a new story. Lesson number 7, a Christmas party. What is the festival that we are going to celebrate in this month? Christmas. December 25th, we celebrate Christmas, commemorating the birth of Jesus Christ. Commemorating means what? Remembering the birth of Jesus Christ. So, we all Christians celebrate Christmas on December 25th. So, we are also going to celebrate a Christmas party at our home. So, before that, let us also learn a lesson about a Christmas party. And this lesson, lesson 7, a Christmas party, there are several people in it. And it is a conversation. What do you mean by conversation? 2 or more people are talking to each other. It's like a conversation. There are several people and it is like a conversation communicating with each other. So there is Sally, Anu, Aziz, Rahman and Gurpreet. So they are all celebrating. Do you celebrate parties alone? No, you call your friends, you call your family, you call your relatives and you celebrate or conduct a party. We conduct birthday parties, we conduct baptism parties, isn't it? So there are different types of parties and in this we are learning about a Christmas party which is very apt for this month. So let us look into the story. Sally has invited her friends for the Christmas party. So what is the party they are going to celebrate? Christmas. And who has called her friends? Sally. So who is hosting the party? Sally. She had told them that it will be a fancy dress party. What is it? It's going to be a fancy dress party. You know, fancy dress competition. We dress up, isn't it? Like some other person and act like another person. That is called fancy dress. So this party is also about a fancy dress party. Sally and her parents are busy decorating the house since morning. So when you have parties at home, you decorate your place, isn't it? You put full lightings, you put balloons, you decorate your house. So like that, Sally and her parents are also busy decorating the house from morning. Her parents have got surprise gifts for all the children. Now, Sally's parents has arranged a surprise gift for whom? For all the children like you. So, Sally's parents have arranged special surprise gifts. What do you mean by surprise? Something that happens suddenly and you do not know. You do not know what is going to happen. That is called surprise. So now Sally is waiting for her friends. Now they have decorated the house. The parents have brought the prizes and the gifts and the surprise gifts. And now they are waiting for her friends to come for the party. Now Sally is talking, okay? Hello Anu. So who is coming? Anu is coming for the party. When somebody comes to your house, you have to wish them or say hello. So like that, Sally is saying, hello Anu, you look nice. You're wearing a green dress with leaves all around you. So what is she saying? She's appreciating or she's saying you are looking beautiful, you are looking good, you are looking nice. Do you like somebody telling you that you look beautiful or you look handsome? Yes, we all love like that. So like that, Sally is telling to Anu, you look nice. You're wearing a green dress with leaves all around you. Are you a tree? So it is a fancy dress competition. So fancy dress party. Fancy dress party. So she's asking, you have dressed up like a tree? Yes. So Anu is telling back, yes, I am. What are you? You are a fairy. Am I right? So they're guessing each other. What are they going to become during the party time? They are dressed up. So looking at the dress, they are guessing. So Anu came as a tree. So Anu is asking Sally, what are you? You are a fairy. Who is a fairy? Really fairies are there? No, they are just imaginary creature. They are not there. You are just imagining. Actual real fairies are not there. You are just imagining. You are just thinking of a creature who has magical powers, who can do magic. A fairy is a person, not a real person, just imaginary creature who can do what? Magic. Who can do magic, who has magical powers. So, I right? So she's asking, Anu is asking to Sally, is she guess the right person? Sally, yes, I am a fairy. See, I also have a wand. What do you mean by wand? Have you seen a star in the hands of a fairy? Okay, that is called a long thin stick. Have you seen? They hold it like this. It's a wand, a long thin stick used for performing magic. They use this to show the magic. What is it called? Wand. It's a thin long stick. It's a thin long stick used for performing magic. Then she has a wand in her hand. Here is Aziz. What is he? So now another person also has come for the party. Who is it? Aziz. So Anu, tree, Sally. Who is Sally? A fairy, and she has a wand in her hand. Now the next person coming is Aziz. Now let's see what is Aziz. Anu, is he a postman? So when they saw, they were guessing. Has he dressed up like a postman? His bag is full of letters. So they are guessing. He has a bag and that bag is full of letters. So I think he has dressed up like a postman. Aziz, look, here is Gurpreet. So Aziz is telling now, who is coming next? Gurpreet. She is wearing a nice dress with a yellow jacket. She also has a guitar in her hand. She's playing the guitar and singing. Now, what is Gurpreet? What does she have? She has a guitar and she's dressed up and with a yellow coat. She has a guitar in her hand. She's playing the guitar and singing. You play guitar and you sing a song. So, he's dressed up in a yellow jacket and he's playing his guitar. Guitar is a musical instrument. So, he's holding a guitar and singing songs. So, Sally is asking, are you a singer, Gurpreet? So, Sally is asking whom? Gurpreet. Yes, I am. Gurpreet is replying, yes, I am. So, who all came now? Anu. Who is she? Tree. Sally. Fairy with a wand. Then Aziz, postman. Gurpreet, a singer. Aziz, where is Rahman? So he's asking him, where is Rahman? So Rahman is answering, here I am. Look at me. So what is Rahman saying? Oh, here I am. Look at me. Anu, oh, Rahman has a red nose and is dressed in funny clothes. Can you guess what he will be? Who dresses in funny clothes and have red nose in circus and all? Have you seen? A funny person, a clown. Yes, he has dressed up like a clown. Oh, Rahman has a red nose and dressed in funny clothes. What am I? So Rahman is asking them, what am I? So he is telling them to guess and tell who he has dressed up like. So all of them are looking and telling, ha 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 ha. They, what is that? They are laughing. You are a clown. Clown makes us all laugh by his actions, his dresses, his way of acting. He makes us laugh. So who is a clown? Someone who performs in a circus, wears funny clothes and put makeup and dress up to make people laugh. So, they are laughing. Why? Because you are a clown, Rehan. Yes, I am. Come, laugh with me. Nowadays, people don't laugh. That is why we get most of the diseases. So, you have to always have a smile on your face and you should laugh from inside so that all the diseases will go away. So, here, Rehan is saying, let us have some fun. Come, laugh with me. Let us all enjoy the party. So, what are they what are parties for? Parties are fun-filled activities, isn't it? So they are telling, now let us enjoy the party. Christmas is also a party time. So it is a party time for us to enjoy. So Sally, my father is dressed as Santa Claus. So Christmas, who has to come? Santa. So who was missing? Santa. So Sally is telling, my father is dressed as Santa Claus. There is a big Christmas tree also. So Santa has a big Christmas tree also. So father is dressed up as Santa Claus and there is a big Christmas tree also. And mother has baked a cake and lots of tasty food. Christmas time. What do we have? All the houses have rich fruit plum cake, isn't it? And wine. So they are telling, and they have baked a cake and lots of tasty food, delicious food. All friends, thank you, Sally. You are a good friend. So after the party, when she has done such an amazing thing, what do you have to say? Thank you. She hosted the party. So we have to always thank the person who hosted a party or who has made us laugh or who has helped us to enjoy our life. We have to thank them. So they are all telling thank you to Sally. So we will also enjoy, have fun. That is why we have holidays during the Christmas time. Why do we give the school give holiday? For you to have fun at home or to go visit your relatives, have fun. Isn't it? That is the reason why you have a holiday during that time. So enjoy your Christmas time. Let us look at the new words. Surprise. What is the meaning of surprise? Something that happens suddenly. Fairy, an imaginary creature who has magical powers. Are they real? No, they are just imaginary. They are not real. Wand, a long thin stick used for performing magic. Clown, someone who performs in a circus, wears funny clothes and makeup and tries to make people laugh. So, is it clear? Shall we go to the question answers? Answer the following questions. Who is having a party? Sally is having a party. Write the names of Sally's friends who came to the party. Think and tell me. Who was the first person? Anu, then Aziz, then Gurpreet and Rehan. They are the friends and the others were the family members. Okay, next. Why does Sally have a wand? Sally has a wand because she is a fairy. Because she is a fairy. Who is a fairy? An imaginary creature who has magical powers. So to do the magic, she has wand in her hand. How does the children guess that Rehan is a clown? Rehan has a red nose and is dressed in funny clothes. That is why they guess that he is a clown. Now, tick the correct answer. Sally has invited her relatives, friends, neighbors. Who did she invite for the party, Christmas party? Friends. So, which is the correct one? B. Aziz dressed as a farmer, singer, postman. Postman. Very good. Sally's father is dressed as a, towards the end of the lesson, Sally's father was dressed up as a Santa Claus. Very good. Sally gives the party because it is her birthday, Christmas, New Year's Day. What was the party all about? Christmas. So, which is the answer? B. Hope this lesson is very clear. Read the lesson and have a fun-filled Christmas vacation. Enjoy your Christmas holiday and see you after that.